After becoming epidemiologists, virologists, doctors, statisticians, and investigative journalists in Sushant murder case, we have now all become experts on gold pricing. And I am doing this post on gold while knowing fully well that I do not understand gold pricing. But however, I think I understand investor behavior to some extent. So let us look at why gold prices are going up. Gold prices have gone up and they have reached a particular level. So I will not say going up. Maybe it will not go up further, maybe it will go down, maybe it will go up. All possibilities are there. There are only three possibilities, right? It remains at the same price, goes up or goes down. I am saying any of those things can happen. But see what is really happening. It is the big banks or the big countries which are buying gold, and the price movement in gold is a function not only of uncertainty but also currency movement. So when a country buys more gold, you think they're buying gold and maybe they are actually selling the dollar. Maybe they are worried that the dollar will not be strong. So, and dollar looks like a reserve currency for some more time to come at least. Let me not take a risk of keeping a lot of my money in dollar. I anyway have a lot of money in dollar, but in my sovereign fund, let me keep more gold, which is a better asset rather than dollar. So the only comparison that this country or this company or this big huge individual is making is, do I allocate more money to the US dollar or do I allocate it to gold? So maybe he's allocating more to gold. We don't know. Second, I do not see individual investors rushing towards gold. At least they didn't do it in January, February. Then because the pandemic had not set in and people were still thinking, oh, 1 week, 2 weeks and we will be back to normal. That didn't happen. Does it mean people are buying more gold? I don't know, because if you talk to jewelers, there is a rush away from gold. People are coming to surrender the gold that they have simply because now it may be very difficult for them to get a small bangles also made, because the price has gone up. What was costing you 1,25,000 a few months ago is now going to cost you 2 lakhs. Now this kind of a jump, 30, 40%, 50% kind of a jump is not something which the real user can afford. But yes, some banks might be happy, some people who switched from equity to gold may be happy, somebody who switched from debt to gold may be lukewarm, because a lot of debt paper has also gone up in value. What is likely to be happening is, people are not very sure about which asset they want to be in, so they don't mind using gold even as a temporary stock. So if they think that Apple is a good buy, or if they think Reliance is a good buy, they will choose to buy that. However, right now they are not very sure whether they want to buy a Reliance, whether they want to buy an Apple or an Alphabet, or what have you. So therefore, people could move to real estate and say, oh, I don't really care what happens to real estate. Anyway, my son is now 28 years of age or 26 years of age and he's going to get married. He needs a spare home. So I'm buying real estate. Again, it could just be a shift saying, look, even if the value of the asset falls, it doesn't matter. I'm anyway going to live there. I'm not getting into the logic of all that. So people are definitely moving from assets with their less certain to assets with their more certain, what we normally call as flight to safety. Now, if there is a flight to safety, most people will want to move to the US dollar and the US dollar will remain as strong. However, somebody may say, okay, they're printing too many notes, so I don't want US dollar, I want gold. Possible? Yes. Will the price of gold keep going up? No idea. Will it come down? No idea. Will it remain exactly where it is? Perfectly possible. So don't get into buying gold because you think prices will go up. It may not go up. That's all. Thank you.